Welcome back to our Python tutorial series. Today's video, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of Python modules. Modules are an essential part of Python programming as they allow us to organize our code and extend the functionality of Python by leveraging pre-existing code written by other developers. So, let's get started. First things first. What exactly are modules? Well, in Python, a module is simply a file containing Python code. It can define functions, classes, and variables that can be used in other Python programs. Think of modules as reusable units of code that help us keep our programs organized and modular. Before we can use these modules in our Python IDE, we need to learn how to install them in our Python environment. So let's get started. The first step is to open the command prompt. To do this, click on the Start button and type cmd. When you see the command prompt, open it. It will open a black screen where we can enter commands. The pip command is a powerful tool for installing Python packages and modules. To see information about pip, type pip in the command prompt. This will display a list of different options and commands related to pip. Now, let's install a module called pygame as an example. Pygame is a gaming module that allows us to design games in Python. To install it, type pip install pygame in the command prompt and press enter. You will observe that the installation process may take a few moments to complete. In addition to pygame, there are numerous other built-in modules that can be installed using pip. Some popular examples include OpenCV, Kivy, NumPy, and many more. You can install these modules in a similar way by using the pip install command followed by the module name. Now we talk about how we can use these modules in Python in our Python program. Now we talk about how we can use these modules in Python IDE to use a module in our Python program. We need to import it. Python provides various ways to import modules. The most common way is using the import statement. For example, to import the math module, we can simply write import math. This allows us to access all the functions and constants defined in the math module. Once we've imported a module, we can start using the functions and features it provides. For instance, with the math module, we have access to use mathematical functions such as sqrt, sin, cos, and many. We can call these functions by prefixing them with the module name and a dot. For example, math.sqrt25 will give us the square root of 25. Let's implement some Python modules using coding. We implement the math modules. We already see it in calculator tutorial. The first import math module, import math as mat. Now this consists of all mathematical operations and functions like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, trigonometric functions, and other much more. Now we write code as a equals mat.sin20. It will display sine of 20 and degree result. As we get that same, we implement a equals mat.sqrt50. It will display the square root of 50 using Python module math. So you can also try different modules for different purposes. NumPy for numerical data implementation 2, matplotlib for plotting the data 3, pygame for game designing 4, Kivy for mobile application designing 5, OpenCV for machine learning and segmentations and others. That was a little effort to make this tutorial beneficial. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more Python tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!